Once the demand package goes out, the opposing insurance adjuster or claims adjuster will examine it. We'll look at the overall demand, we'll look at the medical records as well as the medical bills and any lost wage information, and we'll assess it for themselves. And then they will issue a counteroffer. Now at that point, the attorney will look at the counteroffer, will evaluate it, and will notify the client of what the other side is offering to settle the case. And invariably that number will be lower than the demand that was sent out by the attorney. But nevertheless, the attorney will, in most cases, undertake a negotiation back and forth with the opposing adjuster to try to resolve the case. Now the client is involved at every stage of this. Every time that the attorney sends out a new demand, the client is notified and the client has to approve it. Every time the other side sends in another counteroffer, the attorney will notify the client. So the client is intimately involved in every stage of the settlement process. And at some point, negotiations will stop, and the client gets to decide whether or not the final amount that is on the table is satisfactory to them. If it is, great, then the case is settled, and the attorney will undertake the steps to enact the settlement. If not, then the next step is filing a lawsuit.